Hello and welcome to our Harvest Sunday worship at Harrow Baptist on Sunday the 18th of October 2020. Thank you for taking the time to join us. If this is your first time with us, my name's Andrew Jackson and I'm the minister here. Harvest Sunday this year is going to be quite different. Some of us will gather in the church, more will be watching it online, and the backdrop against which we mark Harvest this year is going to be the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. This year has brought home to us just how fragile we really are and how dependent on others we've been to keep us going. Key workers have turned out to quite often be people we take for granted, and many of them work within the food industry. Farm workers, distributors, shop staff, transport. So many others associated with this harvest season. Every year I say this, it's good to celebrate harvest. It is true that we can and we should give thanks for all God's provision for us at any time and at all times. But unless we set aside time to reflect on how blessed we truly are, we probably won't ever get round to it. Life tends to get in the way. And so today, even in the midst of these disturbing, unsettling times in which we live, it's good to remember God's provision. So let's be still for a moment and prepare our hearts to worship God and give thanks for the harvest. I invite you to share as it's coming up on the screen. This is the time for giving thanks, a time to be mindful of the good that encircles us. Thank you, God, for all you have given us. Friends and family encourage and care, and this faith community shows us God's loving ways. Thank you, God, for all you have given us. We find a home in God's creation, and the earth gives us good food to make us grow. Thank you, God, for all you have given us. The seasons change, sunshine comes and goes, yet your loving care for us is eternal. Thank you, God, for all you have given us. Our opening hymn this morning is a great hymn about the provision of God. Great is thy faithfulness, O God, my Father.